Epa lagunok ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen. Kanalera ongi etorri Halloween zuzeneko. Honetara gero bideo hau nire oiko kanalean izango duzue. Eta bueno, Halloween eguna denez, gaurkoan Atletiken kamisetarik beldurgan riena izan daitekena dauka Arrita Aduri hemen, bueno, jende asko ari edo gehiengo ari esaiz bat gustatzen. Ni uste dut ez dagoela hain txarto, izateko aurten atera duten kamiseta berria. Bigarren taldearena, hau da, etxetik kanpo jolasten duten kamiseta horrekin. Honek baino asko ez ere itxura kaskarragoa duela, baina hori nire arazo edo iritzi pertsonala da. Honetan da jarraituko dugu hemen partida azkarretan eta esan moduz moldatzen garen eta bar. Hei, banik jai. Bihar baino lehenago du behar gara helburu horretara. Partida erdian hasiko gara, edo ez. Nesango nuke baiet. Bueno, inoiz ez da jakiten unean segatatu daiteken egoera hauetan eta vale. Victor, Kerilian, Bardin eta Neu Marcus. Laguazen aurrera orduan. Ea non hasten garen gaurko aventura.
I'm not gonna lie, Bergenhafen has a poor reputation, what with one thing and another. But lately, things have been getting worse. Plague, sickness and disappearances, the usual trademarks of our packed sworn friends. So, what say you get your lazy arses upriver and see what's what? Take your best gear. I reckon this will be a sticky one.
Ja, bueno, baetiko gorra izango dela, baina, bueno, gure egin beharra da. Eta suposatzen dut esperientziaren kontu hori datorren asteburuan eta horrengoan izango dela, baldin eta goiko helburura heltzen bagara. Uste dut DLC batena da. Ez nago ziur.
The dark gods reach out for Bergenhafen. We shall see that they are thwarted.
Lunar claims the Black Hook gang are involved. They'll answer to me. I promise you that.
Can't hurt to have a chat, I suppose. But for that, we'll need their hideout.
Dead and good riddance. Nice work, Mayfly.
The million's going the extra mile today. A mile littered with corpses. Eyes open, line feet.
Transgressions of the fingers.
Vale, pues todo el loot.
Back to each other, it's an ambush! Even die! Shield up! One pillar of the Empire reporting for duty.
Men helburua mapa irabaztea, aparte da alik eta gehienak akabatu izango letxatzen.
Good show, sir! No heretic safe today!
Right, I'm returning. You're not without wanting.
Thank Tom for armor.
Vale. Hasi berriak gara eta nahiko bizitza galdu du.
Yeah, I think it's this way.
Ongi hasteko eta guzti hori.
Bergenhafen has
Vale.
sir that more coal passes through these warehouses than the outdoor treasury.
Not surprising. I mean, I like Cole Franz and all. Seems a fair man with a grand tasting hats. But he's a penny pincher.
Crab up! Still your treacherous
Barkamena
tongue.
zergaitik.
I'm just saying that if we all had fancy magic swords like his, we'd sort the Northlanders out in no time. But then, he'd have fewer hats, wouldn't he?
Shield vermin hiding among them.
Vale, conduce aurrera.
Blightstormer! The winds die with him!
Ha! It shoots much, but hits little.
This potion better it fast.
Zein momentutan eman didate hau ez dut horrela.
Grimness,
No,
teeth,
grinda.
Rakita!
Oso no, gainera gaur jendorezko filmak ematen dituzte. Izan beraz,
Kill, sir. But keep your elbow up. Guard open. You
zuzenok augatzen dudanean, ba, joango nahi.
And you, remember, I shall see you for the touch.
As you should.
Vale, no
No one
nahi.
wants to look your corpse around. Oh, there's a
Dena
lot of them.
zizuten.
Keep them busy. Oh, something special to them there.
These vermin come with shields, mayflies.
Disputo erabili eta gero.
You slew it!
That's a runner. Have it here.
Vale.
Another
Pescaban el Tiger.
fall silent.
Vale, hemen lankidetza beharrezkoa den gauza horietako bat da. Beraz bat kontuz.
Shield rats.
I give this place a decade before it sinks into the mud. No more.
The climb is your foul existence. The sentence is death. Oh, no! Will that stop a doorway? Not a bad drop, considering.
Vale, Juan Bergar estoldet dietara.
Have a care!
Ez dut horreitzen non dagoen.
That packmaster will trouble us no more.
This is the door.
Vale, kontuz gora.
This is more than mere pestilence. The dark gods hang heavy over Bergenhafen.
Hanging heavy everywhere lately. Or had you not noticed things had gone a bit twitchy?
I have been scratching, it's true. But I thought that was Barden's license keeping his beard.
Aye, I heard that. Chuck in a bomb.
This way.
Down.
over.
No, lo vas a engordar.
Fall back! I smite your heathen souls! Butcher runner! It's an airboat!
Bless my ass.
That shield will not save you, that man!
Lo vas a hacer. Mantén tu posició.
I shall crash ye all in Sigmar's name! The rattling gunner died!
Visita a las perras.
Up the steps, mayflies.
O, de ese Nix, está visita Nix.
Follow me!
A ver,
Seek out the bandits' lair. We have wasted enough time already.
Morning, you striking armour. Go for the doggy.
hala, agur.
Go on! Again! I can take it!
Bueno, ya el de aquí de nuevo me confío en que saque a ver si se salta por ahí. Justo según visita.
Quieter than a sulking elf down here.
I'm ready for you, shield rats.
Yeah. That's all.
Kruber, know that I consider you amongst the least annoying mayflies I have not yet slain.
Ah, bueno. Orange Charter se les da algo.
It's all stolen. The Black Hooks brought this on themselves. Foolish Umski. Here, and kill them! Kill them all!
Stay together, Lumbyboots. You mustn't divide us.
Hammer them windows shut, mates. There's so many of them.
Awaken, Heaven's judgment!
Ah, Seti, que era sociedad. Esta.
There's always bloody more of them, isn't there?
Slay the fucker! Oh, I'll bring you for that!
Watch out for your mates and we'll get through this. This shield will hold firm, I promise you that.
Lovely sound that. Better with screams, mind.
Over here, mayflies.
Caca. Vale, orain aurkitu ditut.
Reckon I'm done for.
You'd look better through there. Think you can match an Azrite? Sheer number.
Buggers won't see me.
A ver. ¿Dónde está un largar?
You hit me, Grover! Again! Yeah, that bloody hurts. Zongi, you need to heal. We must fight at our hands now. Yo! Well, boys, so that's how it is.
Ugh, that smell. Like festering flesh.
I'm a heretic. Fight the righteous fight. Can't lie, not feeling great.
You're sorely
I'll give you one for free.
Oh, northern side.
Here, what fire
Ratman,
throwers?
always compensating with machinery.
Fight them together, stay close. The Packmaster is slain.
Guztiak ditu.
Good kill, sir. Keep your elbow up. Jaws open. You down. Oh, the man. As you should, Fifty. No one wants to look your corpse around.
That sorcerer, he's warping the winds.
I spend my blood willingly. Call your target. I'm on punch. Kill him quicker next time, will ya?
A troll mayflies. At least try to act competent. That troll rules more than the dwarf.
Oi! Over here! Hogger! Nothing! Do it proper! Finish it off! Still here? Yes, you take a swing! Hey!
Likely to death. Like a weed!
Don't like this. It's too quiet.
Not as sneaky as you believe, brother.
That's a fire! Sneak rat is dead! my steps.
Here, over the bridge.
Leech! You hear it?
Kill that gas rat!
Au. Gasa txikituna.
Leech swat!
Bueno.
Treachery! The elf targets me! Over here! Kataki Doom, Gory! You'll see!
Over there, Lumberfits. Chaos Warrior.
How about it's cool?
You, Elfway.
Fall back! I smite your heathen soul!
Follow me. Through the door. Ammunition.
Over here!
The soul is willing, but the flesh requires binding.
Stick together, keep to the pace.
Run. Vale. Corrita.
Now we'll slay them all.
It's harder than that. Someone give me a reel. There's more room here. Oh, not so formidable now, is he?
Chaos Warriors, stand ready. So you do know which end of that weapon to use, Kruber.
Vale, orain bai. Hauria sido Hogenhafen. Mira, ni hori gara. Ez dago txarto. Ez dago bat ere txarto. Ni orain zer tokatu zigun partida. Bueno, gerlariaren kofrea. Ez dago txarto, A ver.
Bit of rain today.
Ser gut. Moment. Hori berdin zaigu. A ver. Hemen gure gerlaria. Pero bueno. A ver. Baita bat, orduan joango gara Victorrekin aurrera. Eta horrela pizkanaka ere bagoaz nivelez igotzen pertsonei ezberdinak.
Good day. And so far, it actually is.
Ba, honekin. Bazen aurrera. Da Halloween. Ja. Sienarekin. Ba, bueno, sienarekin jolastu behar badugu jolastuko dugu. Gerilen badugu azkenengo nivel
Turns out our
horretan.
Bergenhafen problem's down to a Chaos rune sword, the Blight Reaper. The good news is that Father Krausman has it under lock and key in a hidden Sanctum Maleficarum, but that'll not last. Bring it back here. I doubt we can destroy the bloody thing, but I'm prepared to give it a good old
Tiro egiten.
try, as me mother used to say.
Partida baten erdian sartzea, grazia askorik ez ditu ematen. Baina, bueno, betiko leso.
Keep going. I'm not finished yet. Dead Kruger's like a steam tank when round, isn't he? Feel it, monster!
A ver. Esto es un chito de la...
Good work, Dory. No more wins from that. Can't talk your biggest. Chaos Warrior.
I have heard words with him, if he lives.
Words, Saltfire. Doesn't sound like you.
Gas left.
There's a hook rat coming for us.
¿Dónde Juan Vergara?
Let the fire rat.
Someone kill it. Can't feel my hands. I need healing.
Venga ya! Zasuak errenau azkenean. Hil nau. Eso ondo.
That's a nasty wound, sir. Rest up, Grimgy. Regather your strength. Healing for that, Bardin? Hardy broke my arse. Well, how do you think you got this way? Magic foolish. I spend my blood willingly. Right, we've at least got the sound of it. Watch out, Sleeps incoming! Oh, no stopping the balls, is there? Speed! Warming up! Legion no more!
Vale, te va todo. Es aquí de la lengua de lugar, ¿no? Andate,
healing draft.
Let them come! Let them burn!
Here they come! Hold the line, mates! More than I will get this done.
I can't take much more, darling.
Can you keep going, Talon? Eyes up! Chaos warrior!
Down it goes.
Are you with us, Grimgy?
Oh, no place to drop.
Trust your weakness.
There's so many of them!
Taste my axe.
Vale, voy a
You ever make it to Bergenhafen before?
Indeed. Father Krautsman and I purged the witch's coven that laired beneath the Göttertrap.
Real witches, Saltspire? What a convenient time. That's the dust of Blightstormer!
You hear what I hear, mates? Leave. We got the leak, mates!
Rollins! The Chaos Warrior!
Sienna, I don't need swords, thank you. use some of whatever it is they're drinking, the blood cools and all memories return. Warm on me, Dory. We'll take the Kazaki to speed. Right, Stormer. I'll show that Cruty some wind. From my arm.
Was not always a priest. He served the order for many years.
Fearless shot.
Taste my axe.
Let that bond speak with Sigmar's voice. Healing blast.
I hope it's not spoiled.
Always there when I need you.
Assassin, I hear it. Right, Stormer. End his chance.
Vale. Kontu suhiltzaile horrekin. Noiz delako jakiten on dagoen. Bueno, batxoten bai ikusten zizkiolako bi espat horiek. Berde kolorekoak.
Chaos Warrior. Watching you work, Saddam.
All right. Bye.
Hold on, let me drink this.
Chaos Warrior sighted. We're on to see it.
Light Stormer Christ.
Bolanderak eta dena, zeruan.
No squirming, Bardin, or it'll do more bad than good.
This clamor deafens the citizenry. We must fight alone.
Ai. Vale, ez.
Bit of a wound there, Sierra, but this should fix it.
Non sapevo.
Listen,
Right, me
Assassin.
spare, runner. Good enough, Reed, says
Need a hand.
Berdin da.
Warrior, he's a drone. Got the arm of these Kentucky soldiers, that's all. Double the discipline!
Bueno, Juanxo. Aurrera bizitza zabetu zabetela.
Honor is all! You're badly wounded, Grimke. Dying? No, I will overcome these heretics. I will! A warfire thrower! Kill the Cruty before it fires! That gas rat needs to die. Globadiers, dead and gone.
Chaos Warrior!
To think, we reckon this began in the slums. Goes to show, Lona doesn't always know everything.
Lona's too cagey with his information. It'll cost him one day.
Aye, but not today, eh, Alan? A muscat.
Ah, vale. Veré. Eta hori zua botan nahi niola.
Inbound. There, runner in the shadows.
Tentsaile bat nahi niola.
Stay down. Go on. Oh, kill it. Not yet.
May I remind you, you are not invincible?
Get off me! You're grass! Oh! Go, girl! Get out!
Eh,
Oh, get out!
oso gertatu da.
Faster!
The rat perishes, and the mechanism ceases. We have work to do, Godrickson.
Con tu semen de no aleatorio abajo.
Ah, you're getting the knack of this story.
We've seen worse than this. Hang on.
Not bad for a fella with one eye.
Txikitza barretu zenezia gero ni salbatzeko.
If only he taught you to hold a sword proper. Here, Roma! You're of no use, Dex! I feel the dark gods reach out for me!
You all right, sir?
Tornire la
You need this, peasant. Here, peasant, this'll help.
Always rely on
liburua.
Oi! Farmer Krausman! If you lock the gate, least you can do is hang around for us. Over here!
Ammunition! Not that I need it.
Dory? Ah, you're a gas rat.
Este ya te va a tomar todo.
That rat's got a reach, all right.
Honest! The blight stormer! Everything's hurt!
Let someone... witch.
Take a gander over there. Don't reckon those tendrils are a Bergenhafen delicacy.
Ni se aquí ni chambarde. Es lo bueno.
I have found
Yeah,
medical
this doesn't
supplies.
look good, does it? Hatching up a wizard. Hatching.
No me llevo esto sobre ahí. Te guardiaré por esto las angulas.
A watchful eye, Dory. Otherwise, a storm of puss and cold will sweep you up.
Beats incoming.
Rage Sorcerer!
Vale, no.
Running back to the temple.
Claro.
That's a fire ant.
No el de una isonave es de aquí.
The wildfire thrower is no longer the threat. I can't take much more.
Did I hear that right? There are 7 Chaos Rune Swords.
Vale, guazen. Peruzut bizirauteko mapa horietako bat dela.
Oh, a mighty blow.
Find the Blight Reaper, darlings. Find it.
A drop of this will help me a lot.
To our survival.
Look for the
Vale,
release
oiga.
lever. The Sanctum Maleficarum is here somewhere.
Bizirautea orain.
Incredible! I've never seen anything like this. Glorious, isn't it?
Find these switch contraptions.
Yes, let him have it, Mark, darling.
Remember your training, mates.
A ver, debo sacar acá.
The righteous feel no pain.
Strangle a rat.
We've got it! Yeah, I'll find the other blasted thing.
What? The glory. It's I suppose. Audacity of Agildar!
Didn't feel a thing. peasant, you need healing.
Ever a steady hand.
I know that sound. It's a rattling gun. Oi, peasant, back that in.
Yeah, fine start, Dory. Don't let me die with my boots on.
Heal yourself, Marcus, now! Meet you, little worm.
Oh, I can do this all day. They're everywhere, and I thought I'd be more.
Oh, give me this.
By the ancestors! Elias, helmet and tide!
Don't let up! We've a Chaos Warrior to kill! Run! Just want to be your friend!
Holy justice!
Crush
You're better than that, Saren! This is what we sought.
Venga ya.
With this shot I abjure thee! I fight on!
You're wounded, sir.
Ha ha! Come on! I've a message from Otfried for you!
Rollers!
Bueno, lo charto. Hil ditugu azkenen, nahikotxo, Igual bederatziren inguru hil ditugu, Vale. Oazen aurrera.
Good evening.
Hemen. Markus hogeita bat. Hogei hau da, plastu nuen honekin. Eta orain ona. Zer. Ez. Vale, batzutan galdu egiten naiz. A ver. Oazen tipitapa. Gure helburuak betetzera.
Now, there's a sorcerer lord creating quite a hullabaloo down in what's left of Helmgard. Turns out it's Burble Spew Hailscourge, the same fat bastard who ordered the theft of my book collection in Ubersreich, remember? Alicia says he's conjuring up a city-sized plague mist which will make the rot blood stronger and kill any decent folk. So, ride the guildsman's lift into the centre and just stove his bloody head in. No one steals from me.
Happy man.
Let none follow who cannot match my zeal!
That one's dance is over.
Go for the head, wizard! Ruin Don't run! We kill! Sure that wasn't what it means to mess with us? There, in that shadow! That's right, close! Glory, we found ourselves a few graves! Take cover! Stand back! I've got to do that! Yeah, that bloody earth! You're as bad as Cousin Ockery! Accept some help, Azungi. Stop that, Sullen!
Here's a bomb. Scrat! It will burn!
Side by side, face them together.
You want to be shot? Get clear!
You're a born sinner, sir, and no mistake. Receive the judgment of Sigma! There's an assassin close by.
Nice work, darling! No more rats!
Oh. Txekitan auto esan ondo gainera.
Backstabber! Another dead gutter runner!
Ashley,
For everything burns, Jonathan. Fire's hunger never sleeps.
you're the sack of heaven. We've lost!
Uf. Nondik egongo gara, ez dakit.
Darlings, where did you go?
Oh, vale. Pertsona bat.
Any sign of the guildsman's lift? Found a potion!
There! Assassin! Give the Wassacus kicking!
Assassin rat's dead! Vermin scum! Off me! Sardin! Don't shoot me! Nothing firing! No!
Yama shield, Dory! That grand
Flame!
Asko dira gainera.
My blood!
Elite asko daude. Ipotxakoak gara zen esako partida, orain.
Not enough! Either in numbers or effort! More! Not yet!
God.
That's it! Some assessment!
Hau galdu dugu.
Nice weather today.
Ai, noski. espadarrarekin.
I need a distraction, and you're just the fellows to make it for me. Ring out them bells, as me mother used to say. The bells in question are in Elmgart's Temple of Sigmar. Give 'em a good clatter, and you'll draw every iron blade for miles around. Why, you ask? Our friendly neighborhood magic spy, Alicia, needs to gather vital intelligence on the Skittergate. Figure you could help her out.
Let's get moving, darlings. Luna wants a distraction.
The main approach to the temple is cut. This will be no easy climb.
A ver,
Healing draft. if
en
needed.
batzutan zezerogon alda, eira.
Leave a good aim.
Take what ammunition you can.
Aha! You want to do that, Fruity? We're blessed. Help! I hear a Globadier.
See that? Globadier!
Bueno, orte joan nahi badu sorte joango gara.
My... Ah! Here! This street!
That warp fire thrower's getting
A warp
closer.
fire thrower! We need to kill it!
Vale, hemendik ez dago zer.
There's an assassin.
Vale. Dago. Nahi ez dugu nolatu hori.
Come on then, we'll have ya. Over here! Easy picking fire, totally! No! It's Sigmar's men! Not all! And where's all that even more? Oh, four! Doesn't matter! Woohoo! You saw them, Sergeant! Tentacle beast!
Does no one else see that spawn?
Hey, Tom!
Rest is for later.
You think the pain will stop me? Because I'll have a picture. Sigmar wills it. That's the way, son. Hack it down.
I hate spawn. They stink of tainted magic.
Inorkesito joko.
Healing draft.
Look, Shalia's gifts.
You are not without fortitude, wizard.
Ha! Can't outrun the fire, sackrat. Healing draft here. Fire burns bright, you filthy buggers!
Remember your training, mate. Leech coming.
Blood everywhere, and another one's gone.
Poison rat. Find it. Kill it.
Great sorcerer!
No more poison rats!
Kill the dragon black!
Guess all those years as a rat wizard paid off.
Sigma! A fire rat! That Zilla's Doomy won't be a problem now. Grimnir's beard and Racky's ass down!
A healing draft right here. Here's a healing draft.
Fanatics!
Yeah, this
Brave
doesn't look
monks!
good, does it?
Gas rat, beware its poison! What's that moon? A righteous blow! Your ancestors must have fought alongside Sigma. My ancestors fought alongside everyone, Grimnir, and with each other. It's hard in the mountains.
Life's hard everywhere, Barney.
Through this door.
Ammunition! Blackfire! Weak in the head, Baron! Take that! Blow thy hard! Someone give me a reason!
Both the way.
Oh, they're on the attack now.
That's a warp fire thrower. Move, move, move! Angry to my fires, assassin! Rothelm! Dragon back!
There's always bloody more of them, isn't there?
There! Assassin! Give the water a kick! Again! Sigma and the hammer! I judge you all!
Flames! Who's a Winston now, Rothelm? This way!
Vale, gora. Pentsat ez dago etxai...
Blight Stormer! I'll boil the flesh off his rotten bones!
Eloise! Lungs of
Nice.
Arrows, black powder, it's all here!
Healing draft inside! Close up! Don't want to get separated!
Vale, una puta, mi stai succedendo?
Let's go up! Fire thrower!
A potion, lend me vigor.
Valaia's blessing to blood that fire rat's dead.
Healing draft. Don't squander it. Found ammunition for you lot. Too much flame.
Vale,
Hold on, let me drink this.
The way's blocked. How about we use that cannon? Turn the crate.
Club up here! Somewhere! Eat my steel, gas rat!
That's a fire rat. There! Dead flame spouter.
They're upon us! Strike for Sigma! The time is your foul existence! Your sentence is death! Rotten shot, Dory! It's gone right through the wall!
Down we go. So that's the temple.
Potion!
'Tis a potion!
Found another bomb. I found a bomb. Look, ammunition. Medical supplies. Healing stuff.
Good shot, Dory! Now let's have another!
Poke your head out from behind that shield, Ratty.
Aye, test man! Get in the gas rack! Is that all you've got? Give us up! Over here,
Go, Ratty. Here, try this.
Piss on that rattling anyway! Holy Sigma! Bless this ravaged body!
Ranald's joy. Bomb here.
Vale, voy a hacer...
Come on, down here.
revelando.
Vorga! There's an ambush!
El de enjambre. No te consideres nada. Zenbaketarako balio dute. Ez hori du, jauzira batzeko...
I unleash black powder!
Hear that? Sounds like an assassin. I know that sound.
That's my gun! The gunner is slain!
Yeah, you stay down, sneaker.
Flames.
Zarin, don't use that healing!
What? Do I tell you how to spend your ammunition?
Chaos Warrior, to my side! Right here! Give me a good shot! Ah, my grandmother hits harder than that! You hit like gobbles, the lot of you!
Paxworn have been here before us, looks like.
Vale, azkenengo misio hemen bizi irautea, hortik ies egin alizateko.
Weapons up! We're not done yet!
Strike the bell.
Vale. A ver, posizio egokiena.
Where? Poison!
Justo.
Ah, fine, Claw! You've learned something from me after all! Forward! I smite your heathen soul!
We must fight on our hands now!
Guard me a moment! Stand clear of that hook! Deserted, but not for long,
Hora,
no warrant.
lekurik onena jartzeko laurok defentsa modu honetan. Hau, ez da jauzten.
Gunrat comes for us. The dwarf saves me for once.
No.
Go on! Again! I can take it! You stink stronger than you strike!
Why are we lingering, darlings?
Look at him run! Watch him die!
Galtzen zu esperientzia puntuak izango dira Buda jauna, baina bueno. Zu jakingo duzu zer egin. Vale. Me saco txarto. Soldado buena. Happy man.
Rain won't stop them. We're not fighting out dwarf nobles.
Honekin hobeto. Anga. Hemen. Zio. Hau badirudi konpondu dela. Hala. Goazen urrengo bataiara. Ea zer moduz moldatzen garen. Anga.
Sir, I've never asked. Whereabouts are you from?
I was born in an insignificant hovel outside Senden.
Oh, a Middenlander. Explains your foul temper.
I'm sure I misheard you.
We used to have a saying back in Baron Krieger's personal guard. Don't cross a Middenlander unless you leave him dead. Otherwise, he'll leave you dead, I think it was.
I see. I not applied the wisdom therein, Crowback.
Me? No, sir. Just making conversation.
Thanks for drilling my lads, Gruber. Long on enthusiasm, but they lack experience.
They'll do fine, as long as they keep their heads.
Benetan, ez duzula nahi.
Kruber, when you get a chance, would you mind casting an experienced eye over our defences?
Already did. They'll hold, provided we don't draw too much ire.
Venga, madarigatua.
The problem with the Empire ain't with the soldiers, it's with those who give the orders.
Most are honest, Pope, fulfilling their duties as best they can.
Bitartean.
So, you give any thought to that little proposition I made?
A ver.
Why does our elf count as hill?
I've no idea. We all have our quirks.
That was a fair old racket, heroic ones. And by Ursun, it actually worked. Hardly saw a twitching tail or a beady eye. Well, except for all the busy ones around the Skittergate. Busy, busy little rats. So busy I could easily glean some useful information. Yes, crucial information. The Skittergate will be up again, sooner or later, but first, only at minimum capacity. This is when I will go through. Well, not me personally, of course, but
Bueno, Mendic.
when in no...
Bit of rain today.
Pachucho. Pachuco do pachucho. Do pachuco. Pachuco. Vale, DLC haré partida, vale.
You going to hang around all day?
Have you never considered another career, sir?
Never. Why? What would you suggest?
A ver, nora guazen orain.
I hope you like skipping
Oh,
merrily
vale,
through the
ya,
forest,
DLC
because
arena.
that's where you're going next. I'm sure it'll be fun.
Escribir el
But as
mapa.
well as destroying the Ratman Doom Wheels, be sure to find me that hidden rune. Don't disappoint me. I wouldn't like that, and nor would you.
Baina zuzia zara, aktibate edo. Grimgi naiz orduan. Konforme nigatik arazorik ez. Vale. Itxasontzi baten Dosoren misiora.
A black rat. A challenge at last.
Don't get cocky, we ain't done.
Black rat, kill the wasp!
Lovely shot. Oh, that elf knows how to clear a path, I'll give her that. Your eye goes bad, sir, you see.
For the exiles, kid.
I remember this bit. Oh, you're in for it now. Or maybe you're not. How many times have we been here?
Now that's a clover thing.
Agur.
Bah! Remember that's the hooker!
Packmaster's dead.
Don't like that, do you, gas rat?
Here, assassin, I'm ready for you.
Plague vermin, incoming!
Vas una aurrera. Beste
So many
bat
kills,
dago.
Kruger. Is that valor or desperation? We're a pure assassin, black man.
That's a walk by thrower, get clear, get clear!
Over here! Easy pickings for you! Only a story! No, not enough! Try again! Harder!
A potion, anyone?
There's too many of them.
Let none follow who cannot match my zeal!
Vale.
Healing draft for you!
Healing draft.
Black ones!
Healing draft here. Healing draft. You'll need it.
The climb is your foul existence! Your sentence is death!
Venga.
This own gutter runner.
The banner fall! Sneaky ratty, dead and done! You think pain will stop me?
Is this the right way? Who knows? Certainly not you lot. Take a look anyway.
It's Slovenly, he's down.
Lucky swing.
Eso. En esta Nori.
Shield from sight.
By the hammer! Supplies attack!
Au. Es un chito lehenengo. Ni gero aurkituko nauzuen. Agor.
Still here? Just take a swing. My grandmother hits harder than that. That gaslight's about to throw.
Don't underestimate that warp fire thrower. Ralling gun.
Poison rat. Find it. Kill it. Booger! There! Runner in the shadows!
Dusk and shadow.
Not so good in a fair fight, assassin.
Try not to set fire to the forest.
Help me!
Aitona ez zaidazu, zegu gehiago. Aitona ez zaidazu.
It's up here.
I can't deny that you know how to kill elf.
This is nothing. You should have seen me at Hogger's Bridge. Dozens, I believe. Right, that contraption.
That rasping breath. A gaslight.
Vale, behintzaile bat.
Louvedeer.
A vile stench won't save you, scryer rat.
Ipotxari. Karo, orain ipotxak duen arazoa da bakarrik dagoela eta orduan hiltzaileak harrapatzeko aukera gehiago dauzka.
That's a runner.
Get this crooked savvy off me!
Ba hori, izan dut, harrapatu dut.
That's enough, Carillion. Forget that otherworldly aim of yours.
Ah, you're getting the knack of this, girlie. Come here. Right here. Give me a... That's all we've got. Yeah, that's doubles.
Kafe standard.
Come, black rat, taste the steel. A black rat, a challenge at last.
Storm vermin. Help me! Are you blind?
Get your ass crossing over the bridge.
Fuck, that's a rattling.
Rattling gun.
Rattling gun.
Have you rocks in your eyes, Barden?
Ala. Eta munizioa berreskuratzen dut. Ba, jokoa lakoa delako eta puntu. Nimen grimoriak eta gauza horiek ez dakit non dagoen.
The taste is worse than the smell.
Vale.
Healing drop, over here.
Lehenengo zain.
I don't recall this watchtower. That may be significant. There's something important about this place.
A ver. Queda makarra da urte Juan Bargarela. Esango duke mendik dela, Ez dut oso ondo.
There, Gasway. Stand clear of that hook. Come over here. Keep back. Fire that. Slay it. Get clear. Get called back. I smite your heathen soul.
Get this over with.
It's going to blow. That poison's meant to kill us, Barney. Yeah, a lovely drop.
Beware the poison grenadier. Look out! Gas!
Hau... bakate falta bat.
Back in the head, Lawrence.
Sigmar will.
Harry, their strike sword.
Vale, agur. Inaute berri zori.
Into bloom.
Come here, was it? Ah, no, you can't. The ultimate black.
Get it done.
Hey, here, baby.
Festering vermin. Kill them all.
Showing your true colours, elf.
Reckon I'm done for. Just one more.
Here's a healing draft.
Smells a bit odd.
For our cannons.
This rat plague bastard. Potion here.
I'm not near a storm vermin.
Come on to bloody pieces. Oi, over here. Take your best shot. Oh, Bite your tongue and judgment, heretic old man!
That hurt! Insolence!
Mind your wounds, sir. You ain't worth much dead.
Plague worshippers coming in! I fight on!
Venga ya. Vale.
One eye. The shadows hiding.
Not enough! Either in numbers or effort! More! If you can stop us, you're welcome to
I think there's something wrong with the illusion. That seemed harder than before.
Vale.
I walk in endless silence.
Backstabber! Feast me beneath the blade!
Archers! Over there!
Blubadier!
Cross! Kill him quicker next time, would you?
To me! Now! Where the places are you all?
Vale, venga, nada. Whip. Guazen aurrera.
That bomb stinks of ash and tears. Come on, this way.
I spy a hooklet!
Leech.
Arrow incoming!
Agor.
Think your head can match my bow, Strandler? No sorrow for a dead
Someone give me a real one! There's more over here! That's all you've got!
Agian mapa bakoitza dauka irten bide ezberdina. Agian bai, agian.
Life Leech is dead.
Ah, vale.
It's charging!
La espada ez du altuegi esango. Gain kontuz. Berriro ere hilda. Klasiko bat, ja. Todo eso aumenta mucho.
Scunners. This empire is rotten to the very heart. Some things don't deserve rescue.
Watch yourselves! We have archers!
Outside! There we go!
This way!
Hey, you! Here!
No more creeper!
That's just how it is.
Can't you see? This is the wrong way.
Venga ya.
Ah, no, you daft! Are you also blind?
I'm sure it's an accident, but you're going the right way.
Find their arrows, lumberboots!
Look out! It's charging! This way!
Heal me. Shield me from sight.
Joder. La que nice justo. Vale, no voy a hacer de tamaño.
Healer's tools!
She'd walk.
Outside! There we go! In the place! Hello, Broadway!
Missed? Really? I suppose
So aquí verdicio una gasta nice.
Sorry,
Pues onda.
some of them got... Hang about! Let me stitch my leg back on. A Globadier is nearby. That's close, coming in! I spend my blood willingly! Hold firm, Dory!
That's a plague monk pack!
I'm in trouble!
I walk beyond the light.
Back here! Give me a good shot! Sleeping on duty? I feel the dark sun reach up for me!
That's a nasty wound, sir.
Catherine! Yes, Bob!
Light stormer!
Block!
Baina hor da itxasontzia.
Storm Sorcerer, he's up to no good.
The Blightstorm is finished.
Egan berren desagertuko.
Here come more of the Wessex!
You need aid, Kruber.
Don't let me die with my boots on. I told you you need to heal.
Campora.
You saw them, Sergeant. Not enough. Either in the worst order.
The tide will not sweep us away.
In darkness.
Nga. Nire bezitu lotu zatik ezean gelditu. Osea, esan nahi dut, hemen momentu honetan nire egin duen moduan. Zagian ez gara higo, Bizko du gara hain. Bai, nivele zigo gara. Ez da txapetago. Ez da tokatu zen kasu honetan. Vale.
If I'm not mistaken, Moor's leaves even larger than
yes,
ring
yes.
the sky.
Meses de garriago. Espatorioso o arraro da. No. Rita Martxelin gehiago. Bueno, lagunok hau izan da dena, espero gustoko zen zaizuela eta hurrengoan gehiago.